This is the DJI transmission hybrid monitor replacement. Let me check the serial number of this. As we are just powering it on, you can check on this. There is no lines on it, and we are just power it on. Check the serial number of the hybrid monitor. It's a replacement one. As it is on and it's connected, you can see the lines over here. 1, 2 and 3 lines are here on this one. Check once again. 1, 2, 3. So we are just turning the gimbal to other side. Again you can see 1, 2, 3 lines are coming. There is an issue with this hybrid monitor. Once again, just turning it again. Check the other place. You can see 1, 2, 3 lines are there. Check the lines, and here as I am putting the finger, you can see the line now clearly. There is an issue with this hybrid monitor. Check the serial number of this hybrid monitor. Has an issue with it.